Why is FlexLink your best partner for service?
Because we turn challenges into performance.
Did you know that FlexLink conveyors installed and operating around the world stretch over 9,000 kilometers? That's roughly the distance from the equator to the poles.
Our service team knows every inch of those systems, working every day to keep them running smoothly. Whenever and wherever you need technicians or parts, we are there, from the equator to the poles, as your trusted service partner.
Hi, I'm Agnieszka Plazinska, a customer service manager at FlexLink Poland. I have been in the company for almost 19 years.
And I am Pietro Rauzi from Italy, customer service manager Europe, part of the group for 10 years now. Together, we help our customers keep their production running smoothly and efficiently every day.
At FlexLink, we offer the widest range of service approaches, from fixing and running up to maintaining, improving and consulting. Our goal? To help you achieve the best return on your asset investment.
This is possible thanks to our global expertise, local presence and flexible approach. Wherever you are, we deliver the same high-quality standard, tailored to your specific needs.
With our long-standing experience in conveyance and robotic palletizing, we provide reliable, cost-effective maintenance and the highest quality spare parts.
We also offer fast remote and on-site support, personalized upgrades, digital services for maintenance, monitoring, and consulting to optimize your production performance.
By leveraging our technical expertise across mechanical, electrical, software, and robotics, we handle and protect the full life cycle of your assets. With FlexLink, you gain more than a service.
You gain a partner dedicated to your success.